Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned scholar, recipient of Bharat Janata, first Vice President and second President of independent India. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and the special role that teachers play in our lives. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888. As an educationist, he was an advocate of edification and was a distinguished envoy, academician, and above all, a great teacher. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is one of the most renowned writers in contemporary India. He has made significant contributions to a variety of subjects starting from theoretical, theological, moral, instructive, communal, and enlightening subjects. He wrote several articles to many recognized journals which are of great importance. Dr. Radhakrishnan became President of India in 1962. He was approached by some of his friends and students who requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan responded, "Instead of observing my birthday discreetly, it would be my pompous privilege if 5th September is scrutinized as Teachers' Day." Such a request coming from the President of India clearly showcased Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's affection and dedication for teachers. From then onwards, India celebrates Teachers' Day on 5th September. Even according to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, teaching is not a profession, a way of life. Further, he added that teaching is not a profession but Jeevan Dharma, a way of life, and asked teachers to understand changes happening across the world so that they can prepare the new generation to face them. In fact, it is a divine responsibility to guide and enlighten. He also said that India should regain the status of Vishwaguru, leader in education, by giving high respect to teachers, whom he asked to encourage students to think critically about issues concerning the state. He told that teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation as they are the laying foundations and the building blocks of the society. Teachers' Day is important for students as it gives them a chance to understand the efforts put in by their teachers and to ensure that they get a proper education. Similarly, teachers also look forward to the Teachers' Day celebration as their efforts get recognized and honored by students and other agencies as well. Teachers should be respected and honored. In India, on the eve of Teachers' Day, that is on 5th September, the National Teachers Awards are given to the meritorious teachers by the President of India. The awards are confirmed as public gratitude to praiseworthy teachers working in primary schools, middle schools, and the secondary schools. On Teachers' Day, students hold different activities to entertain teachers at schools and college. These activities include singing competitions, dance competitions, recitation of poems, mimicry of teachers, lots of games, children play with teachers, plan a picnic, offer gifts, and at last they thank teachers by expressing their gratitude. Teachers' Day is celebrated across schools, colleges, universities, and educational institutions. Students put on performances, dances, and host elaborate shows for their most loved teachers. Teachers' Day is a great occasion for celebrating and enjoying the relationship between teachers and the students.